Hey guys, what's going on? What is going on? Street Trading here with our weekly trade watch list video for the week of the 19th through the 23rd of April. Time's flying. So let's get right into it. Looking at a 15-minute chart of SPY. As you can see, the boys just continue to take out highs pretty much on a daily basis. Obviously, we're looking at prices just literally extending much further than anybody's expecting them to, with pretty much zero correction, right? So, listen, the time will come. Could it be next week? Could it be next month? We don't know. Of course not. But that being said, understand that, you're going to have a pretty serious size correction once it does happen. Definitely not saying it's going to happen anytime soon, or it could. What we're saying is when the correction gets underway, don't be surprised that you're going to have some pretty significant cliff diving, right? So, that being said, there's plenty of opportunity to the downside. We're crushing things to the downside almost on a daily basis. So, it's irrelevant, but just keep that in mind, right? The Qs are obviously doing the exact same thing. So, everything's pushing higher, guys. Obviously, the Coinbase IPO last week was pretty significant. Obviously, they didn't follow through, but letting the dust settle. There's some obviously serious heavy hitters building positions across their portfolios in the crypto market. Bitcoin did take a pretty decent sized pullback this weekend, but again, it's probably just that, right? So obviously, look at the big picture. Certain things, certain asset classes, you need to look at a different way, a different viewpoint, as you do maybe equities. So that being said, keep an eye on not just what you're trading on a daily basis. If you do have some capital in the crypto market, have a little bit of long-term view with that, right? And that's just our opinion with that, and that's what we're doing. That's what we're looking at for that. But we don't actively trade the crypto market. That's just something more of an allocation where we have some capital to be put to work. Kind of one of those things where we're slowly building, but definitely not trading. Different beast altogether. Now, let's get into this week's session. We got 8 going on for the week ahead. We got some obviously continuations. We got some nice breakouts. We got some very solid opportunities. Last week we just fucking destroyed our weekly watch list. Hope you guys caught some of those runners with us. Had a very, very solid week with that list. We're definitely going to be focusing a little more attention on our list moving forward for this week as well. So let's get into what we will be looking at, our game plan for our if this and that. Obviously, we're going to set our levels, and if prices reach our levels and it's time to move, then we're going to put on some risk and let it rock out. Again, we're not chasing shit. We can be wrong on every one of these ideas right now, and then that's it. We just don't put on risk. Wait until price comes to your predetermined price level, and then you put on risk, guys. Otherwise, sit in all cash or concentrate on more of an intraday session. All right, guys, let's get into details.